Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make Cowboy Caviar. And now let me take you over the ingredients. Get started. The ingredients you will need is some black bean, pinto beans, and corn beans. All of these are washed and drained. The second ingredient you will need is some raw tomatoes. You will need 1 orange bell pepper, also you will need about half red onion. You will need 1 avocado. Also, you will need some cilantro. You will need 1 jalapeno. I already did take the seed out. Make sure you dice it. And right here I made some dressing. What I have in here is some olive oil, lime, honey, chili powder, and cumin. And now let's add some black pepper, as much as you want. And of course some salt. And now let's mix all these ingredients together. This cowboy dip is good for a football game. As you know, it's the season for it. You can make it ahead of time. Just make sure you don't add your avocado in there until you serve it. You can serve this with chips. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!